Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Simply type in John Concha, hit subscribe, and hit the bell. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is John Concha coming to you from Faulkner Hyundai, Northeast Philadelphia. Today, I'm going to show you a brand new, actually I lied, it's a certified pre-owned 2015 Hyundai Genesis. So check this out. This is a really nice car because with the Genesis, this car is certified, which means you have the remaining balance of the factory warranty. So this car only has 28,000 miles. It's got navigation, it's got the panoramic sunroof, leather seats, it's got the big wheels, the nice lights in the mirrors. It's a very beautiful ride. Is it open? Yeah. So check this out. So this car has the leather seats inside with the dark trim, so it's the black seats with the beige outside. So it's a really nice combination. If you guys follow me around this way, I'm going to show you that this is actually the Hyundai Genesis, but you have the Genesis logo. It's really, really neat. It is H-Track 3.8, so it is all-wheel drive. It does have the backup sensors also, which is very, very neat. And it says Genesis in the back, to be sure. If you follow me this way, you can see how clean the inside is. The guy that had this car took very good care of the car. Like I said, 28,000 miles. It's a baby. You had the powertrain warranty up until it reaches 100,000, and right now it currently has 28. So it's a really low miles for this car. Come and get it. Come test drive it at Faulkner Hyundai today. My phone number is 267-266-5406. You can either give me a call or shoot me a text, and you can drive this car home today. You'll get a really low monthly payment, and you get the best warranty in America. Oh, by the way, I'm going to throw in the first year of maintenance for free too. Oil changes, 2 oil changes, 2 tire rotations, adding fluid, whatever your car needs for the first year is on me. All right, guys, call me. Take care.